tutorial I'll be talking about HTML lists and HTML image tag. We can display lists in a HTML document with the help of list tag. There are two types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list is nothing but the list is displayed with the help of numbers in an ordered manner, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the syntax of ordered list. So OL stands for ordered list and LI stands for list item. In unordered list, the list is displayed with the help of bullets. So UL stands for unordered list and LI stands for list item again. In image tag, with the help of image tag, we can display images in our web pages. So these are the attributes of image tag which are very important. So SRC stands for source file, or nothing but the image. Alt stands for alternate text for the image. Width and height refer to the size of the image. Here is the syntax of the image tag. So open img tag, source file is equal to, within double quotes, the image, the name of the image name which you have saved it with the dot extension. So it might be PNG or JPEG or any other format. Alt refers the alternate text of the image. Width and height should be in double quotes again, and it refers the size of the image. So let us understand with the help of an example. So we open our editor and type in the basics: HTML head, title tag, let's keep it as segments part 2, close head and body. So let us start with ordered list. So open over tag, list item, let's just keep it as apple, close list item. We'll copy this line so that the implementation of the code becomes easier, and we'll just change it to mango and just paste it again, orange. We close the oval tag. Copy this again for unordered list, and we'll just change the O to U here to U. Now for image tag, so we open the img tag, src is equal to the double quotes. So in my document where I'm gonna save my third HTML document, so here's the image named as download and the type is PNG. So in my image tag, in the src attribute, I should write download, the name of the image, dot PNG with its format. So close the double quotes. Alternative text, I'm going to give it as HTML, close the double quotes, width is equal to double quotes, let's just give 500, and height HIH is equal to again 500. Close the double quotes and close the angular bracket. So we'll just close the body, close HTML, just save it as third. It's in the same place as the images. Go to the place, so double click on it. So this is the output of HTML code. Ordered list, the fruits are displayed with the help of numbers like 1, 2, 3, and unordered list, the fruits are displayed with the help of bullets. And this is the output of the image tag. So we placed in the same document, same place where the HTML document is saved, so the image is displayed. Let us see how it works when the image is not present at the same place. So for now we just delete the document, or image, click it and just refresh the page. As you can see, the image has disappeared and the alternate text has appeared, HTML, which I have given it in the alt attribute. So I hope all of you have understood the lists tag, the type of lists, ordered list, unordered list, and the image tag and how it works. I hope you like the video, you subscribe to my channel and you share my video. Thank you very much.